Hi, I'm Hassan. In this lecture, it will be our lecture number 6. In this lecture number 6, we will discuss about the closed loop. Closed loop, we divide into four types. The first type is the voltage series. The second type is current shunt. The third type is current series, and the last one is a current voltage shunt. If we discuss first of all the first part, which is voltage series, it will work like and here we have to divide these into two types, the voltage and the series. This voltage it's standing for, it represents the output parameter. It represents the output parameter. Output parameter. It means it will tell you which type of circuit will be your output. It will be decided by this, and this what it decides that it represents the input connection. It represents the input connection. Input. It represents the input connection. So these two words we have to know about it. Otherwise, you have to memorize the gain of each and everything. We already said, like in previous topic, we said the voltage series and the voltage ammeter are same. In another topic, we discussed that we have filled one table which says in voltage amplifier gain is equal to V output divided by V input, but in this case we have like feedback. Okay, we have a feedback because we are using closed loop. Since we are using a closed loop, we have to get our gain like, okay, we will get our gain like voltage output divided by voltage source. Instead of in voltage input, we will make it voltage source. Okay, voltage source. In that case, it means our source, our input is voltage, and our output will be our output will be also voltage. So in that case, you have to also memorize one formula which says like whenever you are whenever the connection is in series, then the parameter is a voltage, and whenever the connection of the output is a shunt, then the parameter will be also voltage. So those two cases we can simply know whether we are using the voltage or we are using current. In simple form, I have written like this: whenever your input is in a series, okay, that case you have a voltage as a parameter. Same like that, whenever you have a shunt or parallel as your output, then your parameter is also voltage. You can also do like whenever your input is shunt, you have a current as a parameter, and whenever your output is series connection, then your parameter will be current. So using that point, let us design our circuit. Okay, in our circuit you will have two things. The first thing will be amplifier, and the second thing will be feedback. Okay, since we have two different circuits, then we have to get two input. Okay, two input we have to get, and here two output. Same like that, we have to get here two input from this side and two output from here. Then what we need is that how can we connect these four and how can we connect these four. Whenever we connect, like for example, you have amplifier here and you have feedback here. Whenever you connect like this form, it will be series. Okay, and whenever you connect, like for example, we have like this, and we have connected this one to this one and this one to this. Whenever we always connect like this, we call shunt, or we can call parallel. We can also call parallel. So when the connection is like this form, it's parallel or shunt. When the connection is this form, it is series. So what do we have in here? We have a voltage as input. Since we have a voltage as input, okay, we have a voltage as our input, then it will be connected in series. It will be connected in series. Okay, so in that case, we have to do this connection to this and this connection to this, and we have to also connect both of them vs. We have to connect vs. Okay, in that case, then we have to connect this one as a parallel, because we have output, like, whenever our output is a whenever we have a voltage, it means our output will be shunt. Our output will be shunt because we have a voltage, then our output should be shunt or parallel. Then we have to connect in a parallel form. So this we have to connect from here to here, then here to this, then this to this. Okay, and this will be our V output. This will be V output. This will be positive, negative V input. Okay, this will be VF. This will be V output from that side. Okay, so we have like this circuit. Okay, this circuit we will call it voltage series. Voltage series. Okay, in here we can also symbol like write positive and negative. Very simple. In here is positive and here it's negative. Okay, so like that case we have the voltage series. Okay, these are libraries for only the first part, which is a voltage series. We decided the circuit according to our name and according to our gain. What is our gain? First of all, if you know your gain, then you can simply design your you can design the circuit very simply. So this will be the end of my lecture number 6. Okay, see you in lecture number 7.